now entering the end of the first trimester. Your pregnancy is confirmed. You have just about announced the joy to your relatives. People are sending you congratulations. This is a beautiful time for you. It's just about sunk in now that you're pregnant. Your baby is a few grams and a few inches in length and height. So what are the health tips which you should know at this age? Nausea and vomiting normally occurs a lot in the second and third month. This occurs because the effect of hormones and also because everything your body is going through. You just feel like vomiting and throwing up at each time. What are the remedies you can do for this? As soon as you get up in the morning, if you're in the bed, without getting up actually in the 90 degrees angle in the sleeping position itself, take a few cream crackers or any dry khakra or chapati or something which is dry food or some cornflakes and just put it in your mouth and eat without brushing your teeth or getting up. This food will dilute the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, and then when you get up and go to the washroom, you'll not feel like vomiting and throwing up. So it's important not to drink fluids for at least half an hour in this third month when you get up from sleep. No tea, coffee, water, because they will just increase the churning inside your tummy and you'll throw out all that with the nausea and the vomiting. Other remedies for nausea and vomiting is have ginger tea, ala or ginger. You put it in adrak, what we say in Hindi, you put it in tea and have that, or you can suck on a piece of adrak. You can also take a little mosambi or sweet lime, put a little kala namak or black salt on it and keep sucking it throughout the day. Any strong smells which can irritate you, sometimes of petrol, sometimes of crayons, or anything which is very, very strong, even the tadka in the vegetable fodni, that also can irritate you. Try and avoid contact with these. Use the exhaust fan in the kitchen so that all these things come out. Having a few peppermint sweets also greatly helps. Put a few drops of peppermint sweets in your mouth, or put 2 drops of peppermint oil in a glass of water, put a little sugar in and keep inhaling this peppermint oil or on your handkerchief so that the peppermint flavor will actually smooth your nerves and will decrease the nausea and the vomiting. Now what do you do about the diet? It's important that you eat something every 2 or 3 hourly, and that 2 or 3 hourly literally should be that. Eat small quality foods instead of eating too much large quantity at one time. This will keep neutralizing the hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Another very good remedy for heartburn. Heartburn is when you feel some burning sensation in the chest and you just feel that everything is on fire inside. Take 2 spoons of Jeshtamad powder. Jeshtamad is licorice in English, mulethi in Hindi, and put it in warm water and keep sipping this water, little sips, many times a day. This will relieve the nausea and the vomiting. We discussed about nausea and vomiting. Now often you may feel excessive fatigue at this stage. It's a good idea to take an oil massage at night. Use warm til oil or sesame oil and olive oil and use it for massaging your back and your legs. This will decrease the fatigue greatly. At night when you're going off to sleep, have a warm bath. Put 2 drops of lavender oil in the bath and rest for some time in the water. It's a good idea to sit in a tub of water and do little pranayams. This will remove all the exhaustion and the energy which is clogged everywhere and just relax your mind. When you're doing the pranayam, you visualize a deep breath going in through your nose, and when you're taking in through the nose, visualize your lungs getting filled with bright white oxygen. Now let this exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place at the capillary level also. Then when you're taking the breath out, visualize small black particles of carbon dioxide coming out with each breath. Each black particle carries negative thoughts about your pregnancy and labor. This leaves your system out and also makes you feel lighter and purer. So do the pranayam like into the nose, out to the mouth. In through the nose, inhale the energy, feel positive and feel good, and out to the mouth. All negative thoughts with the carbon dioxide is coming out, and this pranayam in the third month will greatly help to relieve the stress. A lot of concerns about backache are common. So also headache is very common at this stage. The headache is because of the pregnancy hormones. A lot of nausea, vomiting, fatigue, less of food intake, less of sleep. What can you do for the headache at this stage? First of all, visualize that you're not alone. You have this whole expanse of things around you. Look at art, painting, sculptures, something else in the whole day which will take your mind away from your work. something like this, in which you can look into a painting or a book, in which you can actually go into the depth of the book and enjoy the feel, is very, very important. See to it that you give your acupressure points. You press here on the head, on all the sides, on the eyebrows, on the forehead, everywhere, and over here in the back area between your hairline and the neck. That area is a very susceptible point. So because of acupressure points in this area and one here under the ears, you will feel greatly relieved and the headache also will be considerably less. See to it that you give a little oil massage, a coconut oil massage to your head every night and relieve of the stress and strain. A lot of neck and even axilla exercises will greatly help to relieve the headache. So the most common ones are taking the neck on all four directions. Second one is taking it like this and taking it out. In the third one, you take it on one side and straight, back and straight. And in the fourth one, you move it gently like this, like a bobbing doll. So this will remove the pressure which is there on the neck and the headache which comes secondary to that. Avoid going out in the sun for very long. Wear sunglasses whenever possible and do some axilla workout or arm workout so that the strain on the trapezius muscle from the shoulder to the head is much less. These are the common workouts we teach in the class. One is the circumduction of the arms. The second one is this. You can do this in office also, off and on, when you're feeling very tired. Third is this, up and down. Fourth is this one again. Next one is this. And last one is stretching your muscles and stretching the triceps behind. So this all will relieve the spasm of the axilla and the neck and relieve you of a lot of headache. Put some aromatic candles in your house, put some essence sticks, put on some light soothing music at night and just go off to sleep with a lovely mood. This also will help in insomnia and will decrease the amount of stress headaches you may have.